everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today, guys. And today's trailer reaction is gonna be of an upcoming Malayalam movie. This is Nayar 2, which translates to The Hunting. Yes, I googled the meaning of Nayar 2, so that's how I know. So this has a very interesting cast. This stars Kunchako Boban, Joju George and Nimisha Sajayan, all three unbelievably talented actors. Now this is directed by Martin Prakhat. The last Martin Prakhat movie that I watched was Charlie and I loved the way he directed Charlie, so I'm absolutely excited for this. And yes, hopefully this will also get a pan-India theatrical release now that I believe that because Malayalam movies are getting pan-India recognition, so they are going to release it in various states like they did with The Priest. Unfortunately, it is not running in a theater near me. Hopefully, let's see. I am also traveling to Delhi next week, so if it's near a theater there, so I'll probably end up watching The Priest in Delhi. So yes, without dealing this any further, let's react to the trailer of Nayar 2. Alright. Use headphone for better experience. Always. Police.
ഡ്രൈവർ ഡ്യൂട്ടി ആണെങ്കിൽ വണ്ടി എടുത്ത് തന്നെ കാണും.
Both look great.
ഇപ്പൊ വിളിച്ചായിരുന്നു.
സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ നിന്ന പയ്യന് മേളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള കൊട്ടേഷനാ. അവനെ നിലവന്റെ കാമുകിയുടെ വീട്ടിൽ ഗിഫ്റ്റ് കൊടുക്കാൻ കയറിയതാ. പെങ്കൊച്ച് മന്ത്രിയുടെ ബന്ധുവാ. ജാമ്യമില്ല വകുപ്പിൽ കേസെടുക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞേക്ക. ഗുണ്ടുകൾക്ക് പോലും കൊട്ടേഷൻ എടുക്കാനും എടുക്കാതിരിക്കാനുള്ള സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം നമുക്കതില്ല.
പിള്ളേർ ഈ വിഷയത്തിൽ സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ടാണ് സാറേ എടുത്തേക്കുന്നത്.
സാറിനെ എടുത്തോണ്ട് പോയാൽ മതി.
ഈ ഇലക്ഷൻ എനിക്ക് നിർണായകമാണ്. ഇതിന്റെ പേരിൽ പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷൻ ഉപരോധോ സമരോ പാടില്ലെന്ന പിള്ളേരോട് പറഞ്ഞാൽ
എന്നെ പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ പട്ടിയെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയില്ലല്ലോ. ആ മാർക്കറ്റ് എല്ലാത്തോടും ഞാൻ പണി. ടെൻഷൻ അടിക്കണ്ട.
Mahesh Narayanan. Oh. Something gonna happen. I honestly thought somebody's gonna grab him from behind. 8th April. Okay. Very close to my birthday. Let me stop this first. Yes, of course I will. Oh, so many questions. Let me do my guesswork now. No, but from what I got in the trailer is that all these three police officers. So this is like a tussle, which happened. There was probably a disagreement or a tussle which happened between the minister and this boy, who is in love with this minister's daughter. Yeah. So and the minister obviously asked the police that take care of him. I don't want him near my daughter and stuff like that. And of course, the guy said in one of the dialogues that the boy took it very seriously. He really didn't like being beaten up and stuff like that. And the guy said that I'm gonna take my revenge. Nobody said anything when I was getting beaten up so badly in the police station. So these three, basically all these three police officers, Nimisha, Kunchako and Juju George, they find themselves in middle of this mess because they cannot say no to the minister, and now this guy is out there to take revenge, maybe on the police. And the hunt, I am guessing something happens which involves these three police officers, and these three are being hunted. They are not hunting anybody. These three are being hunted because you see them running around and hiding and stuff like that. What happened? Of course, that is going to be the story. And this is superbly interesting because it completely, changes the ballgame. Usually the police hunts for the culprit or whoever it is. Here they are getting hunted. They're probably innocent, of course, but they have to run away to save their lives. Very interesting. The plot itself looks so interesting with the trailer, and that music at the background just builds up, starting, it starts very slowly and then by the end it completely builds up. Looks great. I hope it releases by 8th April. I will be back in Mumbai actually, so I'll be back on 8th itself. So I don't know, because I am guessing this is first going to release in Kerala, and probably after a week or two, like they did with The Priest, they're going to have a pan-India release. So let's see. Hopefully in Mumbai, I'm very sure that it will release in a theater near me. Though now, of course, with the rising COVID cases, if you're going into a mall, you have to produce a COVID negative test. So that poses a problem. So let's see. I'll figure it out. How the movie watching experience is going to be now. This COVID is just making everything so depressing and sad. But I am glad that movies are getting released, and at least there is some sort of respite that I can look forward to, that all these great movies are going to get released. So yes, that was my reaction for the official trailer of Nayar 2, where all these three beautiful talented actors are getting hunted. So why they are getting hunted, we will find out on 8th April. I would of course want feedback from you, or whoever watches it. You guys will be able to watch it first in Kerala, so definitely will be looking forward to your feedback for this film. Alright guys, that's it from me today. I hope you've come till the end of the video, and I will see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.